In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate an AI model with GoHighLevel. This step-by-step process will guide you through setting up an AI integration that can optimize your workflow, especially when it comes to handling communications effectively and efficiently. By the end, you'll be able to leverage artificial intelligence to streamline how you interact with your clients, customers, or prospects. Let's dive right in. First, let's get started inside GoHighLevel, where the magic will happen. Begin by navigating to the automation section. In here, you'll find the Workflows tab. Click on it, and you'll have the chance to create a brand new workflow. A workflow is essentially a series of automated actions that you define, allowing you to focus on what's important while technology takes care of the repetitive stuff. Once you have your workflow set up, it's time to add a little brain power to it with AI actions. The next step is adding an AI action powered by GPT from OpenAI. This integration gives your workflows a smart edge. OpenAI provides support for things like prompts, temperature settings, and dynamic variables, which help make the output as tailored and precise as possible. To give you a bit of context, when we mention prompts, we are talking about the specific instructions or questions you feed the AI to generate an output. You can customize these prompts to fit various scenarios. For example, you might have a prompt like, write a friendly follow-up SMS for /contact.firstname based on this inquiry, contact.message. This is just one of the ways to personalize communication using the details you already have in your system. After you've set the prompt, the AI will process your input and generate an output. Now, it's crucial to efficiently use this generated output. You can use it in multiple ways, such as sending an SMS or crafting an email. These are direct communication channels that can benefit greatly from a touch of automation and AI-derived personalization. But that's not all. You can also save this AI output in internal notes for your team, or it could update your CRM. It doesn't just stop at communication either. It can propel changes along your pipeline automations. Imagine how smoother your processes will be when AI seamlessly becomes a part of your customer journey. The best part is that the output variable you set with the AI becomes available for use within later steps of the same workflow. This means everything is interconnected, saving you time and ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Implementing AI in this way not only saves time, but it also enhances the customer experience by ensuring responses are quick, relevant, and tailored to individual needs. And that's the beauty of integrating AI with GoHighLevel. Thanks for following along, and I hope you find this integration as impactful in your workflows as countless others have. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks just like this one.